Ready to enlighten your creativity. In this step-by-step Canva t-shirts design tutorial, you'll learn how to transform your ideas into stunning wearable art. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, discover insider tips and tricks that will elevate your designs and make your shirts stand out. Let's dive in and turn your vision into reality. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where we will show you step by step how to use or how to create as usual designs with Canva. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals to create a wide range of visual content, including t-shirt designs. It offers an extensive library of templates, images, fonts, and design tools, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers to bring their creative ideas to life effortlessly. So to get started, you have just to come back in the top right and you'll find here one button of signing up. You click over it and you have just to create an account, and then you'll find a page which is this one. As you can see in the top right, I don't have a button because I already have an account. This is it. I will just click over home and I will get started and I will find this page as you can see. So first let's just discover the pricing of this platform or canva.com. We have here free one, design anything and bring your ideas to life, no cost, just creativity. Then we have the pro one, unlock premium content, more powerful design tools and AI features. Then we have teams, transform teamwork, grow your brand and simplify workflows. Then we have enterprise, empower your organization with an all-in-one workspace workplace solution. I will just, for example, if I want more information about some of these packages, I will just select the one I want. For example, I will just select the free one because this is the one I will choose, and we have here various information about this one. You're just ready to more understand, then you get started and you choose the one you think it's more comfortable and better for you. Then right now let's just go to the canva.com and discovering how you can design your t-shirt. The first step that you have to do is just here click over home as I said, or sign up, or you have just to log in to find your account. So here we have my Canva home as you can see. So firstly we have in the left project, home, templates, if you want a brand, application, dream lab as well. Right now you have just to click over here to search for your content and canvas. For example, I will just select t-shirts as you can see, and then you'll find the Canva template. As you can see, we have here 50 in 1000 templates as you can see. So as you can see, you can just select the one you want. We have here various templates. So let's come back here and let's click on oversee all. Right now I will just click over all filters and I will select the category that I want. For example, as related to business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products. And if you select, for example, business, you'll find other things here. If you select social media, we have also other things, education, video, we have marketing, then we have print products and card invitations. You have just right now to select here the style if you want modern, minimalist, simple, colorful, illustrative, and illustration as well. Also, we have the theme if you want the black one, pink, clothing, typography, fashion, illustration as well. Then we have here the features, grade, subject, topic, and here we have I will select for example the free one, and also I will select the black one and I will click over apply. Then we will find other page which is this one as you can see. So right now let's just choose in one of these. So for example we have here our first templates as you can see, and let's just choose in for example one of these platforms. For example, let's just choose in this one and you click over customize this template and you'll find other page which is this one as you can see. So here we have it, how it looks firstly. So I will show you how you can design this t-shirt design and then how you can share it. So firstly all I have to do is just here go to design and just select the template if you don't like this one. For example, we have other templates here like this one as you can see, and then I will just select the color that I think it's more better as you can see. And also we have here other things like I will just select like that and it's more better like that. Right. Then also we have here the option of elements. You can just add, for example, I don't like this one. I will just add a dragon. We'll just select this dragon. Then put also here the color. For example, I will put it. For example, I will just scroll down and I will select. I will just select the gray or the black one. So here we have a dragon, as you can see. Also, I will delete all these things. About the background, I'll put it here black. Then I will just put this one in the middle and I'll put it in the middle like that, as you can see. And also right now I will just add, for example, something here. For example, I will add here a QR code or just some link, and then I will just right now add a heading. I will just go to the text. I will just come back to the top and I will click over add a heading. I will put it firstly here and I will add, for example, with I will select firstly the color, put this color, and I will select the size, put dragon. As you can see, I will select here the option of italic. And about the color, I will select, for example, this color. Then here we have it, as you can see. Then also you can add other, for example, other elements. For example, I will add here something that makes care. For example, I will just select these things, like you will just select, for example, this one. Then put it here. I will just select also here the size. I put this one here like that. Then I'll put the dragon here. Then I'll put this one here, as you can see. Alright, so here we have it. Right now you can add also other things, like if you want to just upload here, for example, upload something to your computer, or you can just record yourself by clicking over here. Also, if you want to draw, you click over here and just select the color that you want, as you can see. Then we have eraser, and also we have here other options like product, application, and QR code. Alright, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. Alright, so you have just to click over share, then you share it with your friends by copying the link and you share it. You can also put it public. You click over here and you put it public, and you will find it in your dashboard after in your website. Alright, so see you again in the next video.